Hey everybody, Rob and Chris again with Haven Lighting. We get asked all the time about differences between 9 Series and Q Series.
That's right. So first let's cover the similarities. All full color, all controlled with the app, all scheduled with the app. Now the differences are in the installation, really. So the 9 Series, the intelligence is housed inside the light and we communicate over the power lines. So that's installed with your regular 12-2 landscape wire. The Q Series, the intelligence is all in the controller. So that's controlled and installed with 4-conductor speaker wire. Those are the major differences. Other than that, once you get it installed, operation and control is exactly the same. So everything's in one app. Your deck lighting, your bistro lighting, your landscape lighting, all controlled, scheduled, scenes, everything within one app. Check us out, and you can find out more at havenlighting.com. Thanks for watching.